Most people get this wrong when they download lottery-style reward apps like Lucktastic. They think it is a quick way to earn cash just by tapping a few scratch cards. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps are designed more for engagement than consistent income. In this video, you'll get a clear, honest breakdown of Lucktastic in 2026, how it works, what users actually experience, and whether it is really worth your time. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect before you start playing. Let's start with the basics. Lucktastic is a mobile app that offers digital scratch cards and reward-based games. You scratch virtual cards, collect points or tokens, and sometimes enter sweepstakes or redeem rewards depending on availability in your region. Now here's where it gets interesting. The core idea is simple, but the earnings structure is not. Most rewards are small, and the app relies heavily on ads and promotional systems. That means your time spent watching ads is often what drives the reward system, not guaranteed payouts. So what do users actually experience in 2026? Some users report earning small rewards over time, but many say the process is slow. Someone like Alex might play daily for several minutes and only accumulate small points that take a long time to convert into anything meaningful. But here's the problem most beginners face. They assume scratch card wins mean instant cash. In reality, many rewards are points, entries, or limited redemption options, rather than direct money payouts. Now, let's break down the earning structure. You typically earn through scratch cards, bonus offers, daily check-ins, and watching ads. Each action gives you small rewards, but the value per action is extremely low. That is why progress feels slow for most users. This is where most people get disappointed. They expect a steady earning system, but Lucktastic is more of a luck-based reward app rather than a structured income platform. Wins are random, and consistency is not guaranteed. For example, Jake might get a few lucky wins early on and think the app pays well, but over time he realizes those wins are rare and not repeatable. So is Lucktastic worth it in 2026? The answer depends on your expectations. If you are looking for entertainment and occasional small rewards, it can be acceptable. But if you are expecting reliable earnings or fast cash outs, this app will likely disappoint you. The key takeaway is simple. Lucktastic is not a job replacement or income app. It is a casual reward game built around luck, ads, and low-value incentives. If you use it, treat it like a time-pass activity, not a financial tool. That mindset will save you frustration and unrealistic expectations. If this helped you understand how it really works, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more honest app reviews.